Alright, so if you guys are on the movies and TV show app, which I am on the Xbox, this app right here, and let's say you're trying to watch a movie and you guys get this error right here, missing codec. Choose something else to play. This item is in a format we don't support with that error code. Click close. So pretty much the audio is going to play in the background, but the video does not appear. Alright, you get the point. So how to fix this issue is actually quite easy. So for a reason, as you can see right here, let's see. There you go. So you see the video is, let's go back to it, 4K. So for some reason, I'm not exactly like too sure of, well, why or whatever the case is or the specifics behind it, but for some reason it does not support 4K, at least for me, or 1080p. So to fix this, all you guys want to do is actually change the resolution of your movie to 720p, because, or lower, but 720p is better than 480. So yeah, change it to 720p and the movie should then load. Alright, so that's a little hard to see, but right down there, that one is 720, that's 1080, that's 4K. So we're going to change it to 720, and then we're going to replay the movie, and it should work this time. Alright, so make sure you guys exit out your movie player on the app or whatever. If for some reason, if it's still like not loading after you change the quality to 720p, you just pretty much want to go out of it and go back into it, you know, close it, open it back up, or just replay the movie, or however you guys want to do it. So why is this, let's see if I can get this steady. Okay, so now, there we go. So now I'm going to replay the movie at 720p, and this time it should work. So all we did was change the resolution. You see right there, it's 720p, and now it's going to load. Yeah, the quality ain't too bad, you know. So yeah, guys, that's how you fix it. Just change the quality or resolution to 720p. Unfortunately, 1080p did not work for me, so 720p worked, and it's not too bad. I mean, 480p is kind of crappy quality, but 720p I feel like is a big difference. Like I don't mind 720p. You know, 4K is definitely nicer, but 720p will get the job done. But you guys, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.